Hello students, welcome back. Class 7, Chapter 9, Soil, a Natural Resource. In this chapter, dear student, we will study about soil, formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, and soil erosion, soil profile, soil pollution, and how we can conserve the soil. All this topic we will discuss in this chapter. Let's start Chapter 9. Chapter 9, Soil, a Natural Resource. Soil क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज सम मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल, clay and rock particles. It also contain air and water. Soil क्या होता है? It is topmost layer of the earth and it is a mixture of organic material, clay, rock particle. Organic material क्या होता है? Like humus, and soil also contain air and water. Formation of soil. Dear students, soil is formed by a process known as weathering. Now what is weathering? Weathering, it is the process of breaking down of rocks into small particles due to long exposure to the different factors of atmosphere. वेदरिंग एक ऐसा प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें रॉक स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन हो जाती है ड्यू टू एक्सपोजर टू द फैक्टर्स ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर. एटमॉस्फेरिक फैक्टर्स की वजह से कौन कौन से एटमॉस्फेरिक फैक्टर होते हैं? लाइट, हीटिंग, ब्लोइंग ऑफ विंड, रेन, ऑल दीज आर फैक्टर विच हेल्प इन वेदरिंग ऑफ सॉइल. वेदरिंग का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है डियर स्टूडेंट? जैसे कि अल्टरनेट हीटिंग और कूलिंग होती है जिसकी वजह से रॉक्स में क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं, उसके अंदर वाटर फिल हो जाता है, वाटर फ्रीज हो जाता है, फ्रीज होने के बाद एक्सपेंड होता है. इट कॉजेज द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ रॉक्स and making of soil. This process is known as weathering. Composition of soil. Soil contains various minerals such as nitrate, sulfate and phosphate. It also contains the humus, microbes, small insects, water and air. Dear student, humus होते हैं जो soil में, it make the soil fertile and these microbes help in decomposition of the waste material and make the soil fertile, and these insects also. Water and air is essential for the growth of plant which is present in the soil. So this is the composition of soil. Student, this is the diagram showing the soil profile. What is the soil profile? A vertical section of soil from ground surface to the parent rock is called soil profile. It have different horizon as you see in the picture. First is O horizon. This is O horizon. It mainly contain dead organic matter which later decompose to form humus. It is about 1 inch thick layer. After that, this is A horizon. A horizon is also known as topsoil. This layer consists of humus and mineral and it is dark in color. This layer is very important for the healthy growth of plant as it is soft, porous and hold a lot of water. After that, there is B horizon. B horizon is also known as subsoil. It is lighter in color as it does not have much humus. The subsoil is rich in minerals due to deposition of minerals. Next is C soil. Below B horizon is the parent rock layer. This layer through which roots cannot penetrate as it consists of fragments broken down from the bedrocks. Next is bedrock. Below the C horizon there is unweathered rock which slowly undergoes the weathering and form the C horizon, and this layer is known as bedrock. Water cannot penetrate through this layer. This is the soil profile. Types of soil. Soil is categorized into 3 major groups based on the size and proportion of particles present in it. Dear students, सॉइल के अंदर जो पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनके साइज और प्रोपोर्शन के बेस पर सॉइल को हम मेजर 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करते हैं: सैंडी सॉइल, क्ले सॉइल एंड लूमी सॉइल. नाउ वी विल स्टडी ऑल दीज 3 टाइप ऑफ सॉइल. Students, it is a sandy soil. It is usually form of rocks such as limestone, granite, shell. It contains more than 60% sand and less than 10% clay particle. This soil can hold air, but its water holding capacity is very less. Such a soil is not used for growing crops, but it is used for constructing building with cemented material. Student, this is clay soil. It contains more than 60% clay and has fine particle. These particles increase water holding capacity of soil, so it naturally forms the lumps with water. This soil is used for making pots and making bricks. This soil is not growing for the plants because it has less air holding capacity, so that the breathing of plants cannot take place in this soil, so it is not good for growing plants. This is loamy soil. It consists of 40% sand, 20% clay and 40% slits and humus. This soil contains air and water, and it is considered best soil for farming and gardening. So this is good for growing plants. Properties of soil. Texture of soil. Soil have different type of soils have different texture. For example, sandy soil is gritty and loose, loamy soil is smooth, and clay soil is smooth and sticky. So different type of soil have different texture. Next property of soil is percolation rate. Student, what do you mean by percolation rate? The rate at which water seeps down through the soil. परकुलेशन रेट होती है कि जिस रेट से पानी सॉइल से सीप डाउन होकर नीचे आ जाता है, मतलब सीप बह कर पानी सॉइल में, अगर हम सॉइल में पानी डालें तो कितने टाइम बाद सॉइल से सीप ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप नीचे आ जाएगा, उस रेट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? परकुलेशन रेट. नेक्स्ट property of soil is water holding capacity. The moisture content present in the soil depend upon the water holding capacity of the soil. For example, sandy soil have very less water holding capacity and loamy soil is having large water holding capacity. So the moisture content or water present in the soil is depend on the water holding capacity of soil. Organism found in soil. There are different type of organism found in the soil. For example, bacteria, fungus, algae and protozoa. All these microorganisms are found in the soil, and they are beneficial for the soil because they improve the fertility of soil by decomposing the waste material. Some worms and insects are also present in the soil. Worms, for example, earthworm. It is also known as friend of farmer, because it increases the fertility of soil, it makes the soil porous, loosen and airy. So it is very useful for the soil. Soil and crop. Students, all type of plant cannot be grown in a same type of soil, because the different type of soil have different texture, water holding capacity. So different type of crop can be grown in different type of soil. For example, cereal and vegetables are grown in loamy soil, and the soil which is rich in clay, it has high water holding capacity, so it is good for growing the paddy crop, because paddy crop need large amount of water, and cotton crop do not need large amount of water, so it is grown in the black soil, a special type of soil that is known as black soil, which is good for growing cotton crop. Next topic is soil erosion. Soil erosion क्या होता है student? Gradual removal of the top soil by the action of water, wind, wave and snow. जो टॉप मोस्ट लेयर होती है सॉइल की वो फर्टाइल होती है, वाटर की वजह से, फ्लोइंग वाटर, ब्लोइंग विंड, वेव्स और स्नो की वजह से जो टॉप मोस्ट लेयर रिमूव हो जाती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सॉइल इरोजन. सॉइल इरोजन के नेचुरल फैक्टर भी होते हैं और ह्यूमन कॉज भी होते हैं. नेचुरल फैक्टर कौन से होते हैं? हैवी रेनफॉल और फ्लड. दीज आर द नेचुरल फैक्टर विच कॉजेज द सॉइल इरोजन. लेट्स सी नाउ व्हाट आर द ह्यूमन कॉज. Human activity causes soil erosion. Deforestation. Dear student, deforestation is major cause of soil erosion, and the human cutting down the trees for its benefit, for making the agricultural land, for making the houses, buildings, cities, etc. And deforestation causes soil erosion. Poor farming. Poor farming means the farmer if do not do the or cultivate the plant in a proper way. It means if he grow same type of crop year after year in our soil, then the fertility of soil will decrease. पुअर फार्मिंग का क्या मतलब होता है स्टूडेंट्स? अगर फार्मर एक ही टाइप की क्रॉप को बहुत सालों तक एक सॉइल में ग्रो करेगा तो जो पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट उस क्रॉप को चाहिए सॉइल में वो कम हो जाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से उसकी फर्टिलिटी डिक्रीज हो जाएगी एंड इट मे कॉज सॉइल इरोजन. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड्स एंड हाउसेज आल्सो अ मेजर कॉज ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन. Soil pollution. Contamination of soil by chemical or undesirable substances is called soil pollution. Soil के अंदर harmful substance या undesirable substance का add हो जाना क्या कहलाता है? Soil pollution. And what is the cause of soil pollution? Dear student, excessive use of pesticide, insecticide, fertilizers is major cause of soil pollution. And second, plastic waste that do not decompose if they are thrown in the soil, it also pollute the soil. And excretory products of living organisms when untreated sewage waste also pollute the soil. Soil conservation. Protection of soil against erosion and degradation is called soil conservation. Dear students, सॉइल को प्रोटेक्ट करना, उसके इरोजन को रोकना और उसकी क्वालिटी को डिग्रेड होने से बचाना क्या कहलाता है? सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. हम कैसे सॉइल को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं? बाय एफोरेस्टेशन. एफोरेस्टेशन मीन्स ग्रोइंग मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज और फॉरेस्ट बिकॉज द ट्री बाइंड द सॉइल. हाउ द एफोरेस्टेशन हेल्प इन soil conservation? The roots of plant and trees bind the soil particles and prevent soil erosion. Next is trace farming. With the help of diagram or picture, we will see trace farming. Let's see. This picture is showing the trace farming. Trace farming is the practice of farming followed on the hilly areas. Farmer builds steps called traces on the hillsides to prevent the topsoil from being washed away. Dear students, ये जो traces आपको दिख रहे हैं, these traces are made by the farmer. ये hilly areas में होती है इस तरह की फार्मिंग. किस लिए होती है? क्योंकि hilly areas में जब रेनफॉल होता है तो वाटर बहुत स्पीड से फ्लो करता है और टॉप सॉइल को अपने साथ बहा कर ले जाता है. उसको रोकने के लिए ऐसे ट्रेस स्टेप्स बनाए जाते हैं. इस फार्मिंग को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रेस फार्मिंग. And it prevent the soil erosion. Next method of soil conservation is crop rotation. Crop rotation means growing of different type of crops year after year. Means farmer एक साल कोई और crop grow करता है, next year plan करता है कि different types की crop grow करेगा ताकि soil से one type के nutrients remove ना हो. That is known as crop rotation. Next method is dam and embankment are built to control flood and prevent soil erosion. डैम्स बनाकर रिवर्स के ऊपर हम वाटर को की फ्लो को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, फ्लड को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, so that they prevent the soil erosion. All these are the method to conserve the soil erosion. Let's recall the topic that we discussed in this chapter. First of all, we study about the definition of soil, then formation of soil, then we discuss about composition of soil, then we see the picture of soil profile and different zones of soil profile, types of soil, properties of soil, organisms found in the soil. Then we discuss about the soil erosion, what is soil erosion, what are cause of soil erosion. Then we study about soil pollution and soil conservation, how we can conserve the soil. Student, this is all about chapter 9. I hope you understand all the concept. Go through, read the chapter thoroughly and have a nice day.